In California's treatment centers, recovery often means intensive talk therapy. But what if preventing relapse isn't about words, but about creation? This is art therapy. It's a clinical method for breaking cycles when verbal programs are not enough. It gives you a new language to tell your story, helping you escape the isolation of addiction and mental health struggles. So how does it work? We'll show you the science, its use in California, and its recovery power. Fundamentally, art therapy is a potent tool for emotional regulation. The creative act itself reduces stress and promotes relaxation. It immediately relieves stress. The process can instantly lighten a person's mood. It promotes emotional well-being, and it offers a sense of internal freedom from overwhelming thoughts. Critically, finishing a project provides a tangible sense of accomplishment. This directly boosts self-esteem, a foundation of recovery. We see the immediate emotional benefits. But what's happening psychologically? How does this create lasting change? The answer is in self-awareness. Expressive arts therapy isn't about making a masterpiece, it's about creating a mirror. This allows individuals to gain deep insight into their behaviors and the roots of their addiction, seeing patterns they couldn't otherwise articulate. Why does this work? Our deepest conflicts are often nonverbal. Art gives these feelings a physical form, making an internal struggle concrete. A trained art therapist guides this process. They help the person find meaning behind their choices, colors, shapes, and symbols. So, the creation makes the internal visible, and the therapist helps translate it. This combination unlocks a deeper level of understanding. This access to nonverbal emotions is powerful for addiction. But in a moment, you'll see how it addresses deep-seated trauma. Trauma is often stored as images and sensations, not a neat story. Art provides a safe space to process these memories without speaking them. This is why inpatient centers use it for stabilization. It becomes a safe outlet for reflection when memories are too painful to voice. The benefits continue in intensive outpatient programs. Here, art therapy is a flexible way to build coping strategies for daily life. Significantly, it's often done in groups. This fosters a powerful sense of community and peer support through shared creative expression. Across all these settings, art therapy isn't an afterthought. It's intentionally integrated for a complete treatment journey. So it's versatile across different treatment settings. But are there specific people for whom this nonverbal method is even more valuable? Absolutely. For those with communication disorders or severe social anxiety, art therapy provides an alternative path to expression and interaction. Teenagers are another group that sees a profound impact. It gives them a space to find their identity beyond traditional talk therapy. For teens, this process is vital for building a positive sense of self-worth. This foundation supports their overall well-being and growth. Ultimately, anyone who finds it hard to put fears, hopes, or frustrations into words can benefit. Art allows for honest expression without censorship. We've seen how it works psychologically and who it helps. Now, let's connect these points to see its full power in the recovery process. At the start, we said art therapy helps prevent relapse. Now we can see exactly how that happens. By improving self-awareness, it lets patients identify their specific triggers in a tangible way. They aren't just talking about a trigger, they are creating it. The process builds self-esteem and a sense of accomplishment. This new confidence provides the emotional strength to confront those triggers. It's a full cycle. Expression leads to awareness, which builds confidence, which equips a person to manage triggers and prevent relapse. So, art therapy in residential treatment is far more than a recreational activity. It is a sophisticated clinical tool for healing. It gives a voice to the unspoken, a safe harbor for processing trauma, and a practical toolkit for preventing relapse. It rebuilds a sense of self. By integrating creativity into recovery, these programs offer a deeply personal path to wellness. Profound healing can begin with a brushstroke. If you or someone you know is seeking treatment options in California, consider the power of a program that heals the whole person.